Hello everyone, good evening. Today is November 13, 2015, Friday. And you know what? I want to share with everyone what I am feeling now. I am bored to death because before September up to now, November 11, I have been very happy with my grandnephew. He's 2 years old, and I have been playing and having fun with him. But the problem is, last November 11, he had to stay at the mother's side, the relatives of the mother, because the father is my nephew. Okay, so now because he left us for 2 days, I have been very bored and very sad. And now I dread the day. I dread the moment Monday to Saturday 16 to 21, November 16 to 21. I think they have plans again of bringing the boy to the other side, and that's a problem for me. And then, you know what? Because disabled people, wheelchair users like me, we cannot stop and rest because we are always resting. That's sad, but it's true. It can be very sad. Yeah, most of my work now just mental work. Of course, there's no physical work. Anyway, as the sun will shine, as the song says, the sun will shine again tomorrow. Maybe he's hoping for a better tomorrow. Okay, have a good day, everyone. Bye.